Okay, so today we're going to work on corrections for your Stage 5 Assessment 1, and we're going to start off with question number 1. Question number 1 starts off with, which of the following is false about event-driven programs? A, event-driven programs do not implement algorithms. B, some portions of an event-driven program may never execute while the program is running. C, an event-driven program is written to respond to specified events by executing a block of code or function associated with the event. D, the order which an event-driven program will run cannot always be known ahead of time. And E, event-driven programs can be run multiple times with different outcomes based on user interactions. So, let's make sure we know what the definitions of each word mean. So, first of all, an event-driven program means any app or program that you create that is ran by the user, meaning it's waiting on something for the user to do before it does anything. So, for example, let's say I created this program and it's going to be the silliest program in the world. I just have a button and I have a text box. And I have this button. We're going to go to design, and in this button it's already said to click to button 1, and we're going to add an event to it. Notice here we have an event. And if you insert code that's based on when it's clicked, we have this event. The event is when button 1 is clicked. We're going to have it print something out. We'll take off. We could even put on here button 1 clicked. We'll leave it here. And let's say we set the text to you click the button. And let's put that on text area 1. So if we run the code, then just by pressing the button, we got, oh, you clicked the button. So that's the event. The event was that I clicked button 1 and it sent out the text, you clicked the button. We could even do something as simple as changing this to some sort of equation. So let's say we put variable x to be equal to the equation, I don't know, 5 plus 1. And we're going to change, instead of you press the button, you could say, here's math. And we're going to put in the variable x. So that way we run it again. And look, nothing happens until I click the button, and that would be the event. So when I click it, it says here's math, and there's the 6 because I had to do a quick equation, 5 plus 1. So let's go back and look at the answers. First of all, the question is asking what is false about event-driven programs. And the first one says event-driven programs do not implement algorithms. Well, that's not necessarily true because we just did some math. And at the very basic level, math is a type of algorithm. Or algorithm is a type of math, excuse me. So A is false. We just proved that they do implement algorithms. You can. But let's look at all the other ones. Some portions of an event-driven program may never execute while the program is running. If we move this to the outside, like there, it's valid code, but if I run it again, it doesn't do anything. I mean, this ran outside of the code. It may run, it may not, depending on what you do. So B is true. So that one would not be the correct answer. If we go to C, an event-driven program is written to respond to specified events by executing a block of code. Well, I just did that by clicking on the button. It's responding to the actual button press. Part D says, the order which an event-driven function will run cannot always be known ahead of time. Well, yeah, it will. The computers are designed to go top down based on your code and based on the buttons that or the events that you create. And then E, event-driven programs can be run multiple times with different outcomes based on user interactions. Yeah, we could just create if statements, if else statements, and you guys have been doing that for the past week and a half, so that shouldn't have been an issue, or at least it shouldn't be an issue now. Alright guys, see you in the next one.